We ordered 10 tech items off of Temu.
In this video, we're going to review 3 things.
Does the product work?
The quality,
And is it real or is it a scam?
we only spent about $100.
Let's begin.
When you decided to lie to me,
Yes, it works.
Compared to my $150 JBL speaker, this stacks up quite well.
Let's compare.
Yeah. Now this has a lot more bass than this. This is more just kind of treble, but it still sounds really good. The price of this one versus the price of this one. See what I mean?
It's real.
If you're looking for an amazing speaker pretty close to this on a budget, we would recommend this one.
It does work. I have put my fingerprint into this lock so he can't open it, but only I can.
We're twins, but it doesn't work for me. I mean, it feels like a regular lock you would get at Lowe's or Home Depot.
Except this one does fingerprint. Until it dies, and then you're like, oh no.
You gotta like run the extension cord and like plug it in and you're like, open.
That would be the problem, wouldn't it?
So surprised how well
I
it
didn't
worked.
think that would
And the
work.
instructions are pretty good.
It's real. For this one, I'm gonna have to film and he's gonna have to do it because I don't know what it's gonna do.
I think we could sit down and...
I don't think that's what it's gonna do.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna go so fast.
Do it down the hallway.
I feel like this is an outside item.
Yeah, you're probably right.
Let's go outside.
Yeah.
It works.
The plastic is actually a little bit spongy, so that's nice because this would hurt coming you at full speed.
It's fun to play with, and honestly, we dropped it a lot, and no scratches, no deformity. Like, it works just fine.
I will say, if it's windy at all, the player throwing with the wind, you're gonna be the favorite. It's real. I honestly believe the results of this pen will shock you.
First and foremost, does it right. Yes, it does.
Now, in case your pen runs out of ink, you can actually untwist it and change out your ink cartridges.
Also on the inside is a 32 gigabyte micro SD card.
For the camera. Now, the question I know that you really want answers to is, does this cheap pen that has a camera on the inside even work? Here's some footage.
So, the reason I invited you here is, are you writing this down?
Yep,
Okay, just know that this has to be top secret information, so no one can hear or see anything we discuss in this room.
Okay.
In fact, burn that paper.
Sure. Yeah, paper's gone. We don't need it at all, do we? You hold for 3 seconds, and that's gonna turn blue. It's gonna blink 3 times, and I think now we are recording. So as you saw from that footage, it works really well.
The video is actually 1080 and the sound is actually pretty incredible coming from a pen.
Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello.
Here's what the pen looks like if you're inside of a house without a bunch of lights.
Showing you a secret room, okay?
Okay, yeah.
There's a reason we patted you down, that way you can't have anything.
And here's what it looks like when it's outside in the sun.
We're gonna see if this pen can see outside at all.
Oh, it's real.
Oh,
Wow.
wow, that's pretty bright. Look how far back in the room it goes.
Okay,
It's
a little
dimmer.
dimmer. Wow. Golly.
Click again. Oh, it's like a lantern. Let's turn off these lights again. Here, you know
No,
what?
not yet. Like, okay, go ahead.
Thanks, Ryan.
You're
the
welcome.
best.
You're welcome, Richard.
Okay, one,
Pretty bright.
and then a little dimmer.
Which is nice.
Flash. That's
Not as nice.
Well, the frame rate in this hates it, but.
Yes, this works quite well.
Now, compared to the picture on Temu, we definitely thought it was gonna be a lot bigger.
But I would say it's just as bright still. There's quite a few different modes and it also tells you how long the battery's gonna last on these blue dots right here.
It's pretty durable. It's not gonna like rip in half unless you really pull on it. It is plastic.
It's real.
Do whatever you.
So right now we are setting the time.
I can feel it. I can feel it from back here. It works.
The quality is pretty good. It lets you change the time, and the fan actually blows a decent amount of air. If this was plugged into a computer right here, you can move this around however you want. Once again, it's real. Now these, I'm a little skeptical, but you know, we'll see.
BT glasses, 001. How do they look at me?
It's not bad. I hear it.
That's impressive. Pause. Okay, did pause it. Let's press it. Oh, that restarted the song. Let me guess. Volume. That's volume max. I just started calling you.
The call works.
Hey Ryan, how's it going? Good, man. Yeah. Well, it's good to hear from you finally after all these years. Yeah, and I hear you perfectly fine. Wait, let me see if I can hang it. Did that?
You did, yeah.
Completely impressed. Check this out. Ready? You know, and you don't look bad either.
That's pretty good. Might as well use AirPods.
Yes, but also if you don't want to pay $100 and whatever for AirPods.
Ooh, you're right.
These were cheap, and I could go on a run with these.
Oh, it works.
I think it's really good quality. You can extend the earpiece based on your head size.
I would say for the price these are, the quality exceeds that.
It's
real.
Looks like that. Wrap that around. Ooh, and we need to turn the lights off again, aren't we?
It works.
The material seems good. It fits quite nicely and it's comfortable to wear. I would say if you're going on a run, these would be great to wear.
If you're gonna go hiking at night, I wouldn't just bring these, I'd bring a flashlight as well. It's real. Okay.
First, let me see how stylish you look. Yeah.
That's crazy.
Nuh-uh, is it good?
Listen to it.
When it's freezing here in Arizona and
Don't say it's freezing here in Arizona. Everyone in New York's gonna be like, oh, is it?
everybody anywhere else. But these, I could 100% just lay down. There we go, this side.
Do this phone call on these. I am talking, can you hear me? Yeah, yours is pretty staticky too, and you're not that far away.
And again, it works.
Now I'm gonna base the quality on 3 things: the material, music, and phone calls.
The material feels like most beanies. It keeps my ears warm, and that's kind of all that matters.
So I'm actually getting a chance to use this headphone beanie out in Flagstaff, Arizona today in the snow. My head is warm, my ears are warm, and I get to listen to music. It's pretty cool.
It's hard to put into words how nice the sound of this music is.
It's real.
Except for the phone calls. Phone calls a scam.
Yeah, that's not good. It does do video, it does take pictures, and yes, it does fly. Fly.
Oh, I can't even see it.
I don't know how to control it.
Ooh, it's gonna hit the gate.
We've learned if there's any wind outside, this drone is very hard to control. It's usually gonna drift with the wind.
But we haven't tested it inside, so let's try that. Oh my god. Oh, stop. It definitely feels like a Dollar Tree item in my hand.
But I will say, because this is so hard to control, it crashed a lot, and it still is holding up just fine.
I think this one's gonna be hard to judge because it technically does what it says it's going to do. It flies and takes videos.
Does it do it well? That's up to you to decide. If this is for a kid, first time drone, first time video, this is a solid choice. But if you're gonna do it for professional videos, I would not recommend that.
It's real. But comment below, from what you saw in today's video, do you think it's a scam?
Or would you buy this for $18? Bonus item, a fashion neck fan.
I wouldn't necessarily fashion.
It feels nice. There's 5 modes.
Feel pretty good.
It does feel pretty good. Like, if I was outside in the 115-degree heat in Arizona while trying to film something, I would stick this on.
I mean, even one feels comfortable and it's not like overpowering my ears.
Now, we might have found a use for this.
It's the weirdest video we've ever done. I could say anything I want. Thank you for acknowledging that I'm the better brother. Really appreciate that.
It works. The quality is pretty good. I would say it cools down my neck fairly well. If you have a big neck, you can't really bend this. So that would be difficult.
So I would say for the purpose of what you would actually use it for,
It's real. Subscribe for more tech content and we'll see you next time.